Hey guys, it's Peter here. Just wanted to go ahead and let you know we've got a pretty exciting project today. What we're doing is we're actually going to upgrade an LED setup in a Tesla. More specifically, we are looking at the P85D. This P85D has a total of 7 LEDs that we'll go ahead and replace. We'll go ahead and get started most likely with the front ones here. So what we're going to do now is we're going to work on the very front right door. The door is going to have a puddle light underneath here. We're going to go ahead and move inside. And then the inside, we're going to have a light underneath here, which is the footwell. Okay, so I have managed to remove one of these here. The way that you want to remove this, there's a small clip that you want to push down. Go ahead and pull, and you'll do it just like that. Alright, so now this is going to be the new Oznium piece. It's designed very nicely with plenty of wiring. So what you're going to do, you simply just plug it in. And as you can tell, it is very bright. From here, you'll go ahead and just simply tuck the wiring in, secure it, and snap it into place, just like such. Now you have upgraded your puddle door on the Tesla. Here is going to be the underneath or footwell lighting on the Tesla. We'll do the same thing. We'll go ahead and just simply pry it out, unplug it, and put the new light in. Okay, so under the seats you do have lighting, one on each door. This is pretty difficult to reach. Yep. There's probably about several inches, but I'm going to try to see if I can do this one. Okay guys, so I was finally able to get the LEDs that are underneath the seats off. These are a little more challenging to do, but in actuality they're actually pretty easy. They're difficult because they're probably about 6 to 8 inches underneath the car, so you've got to have small hands to get underneath, but they're actually easy. If you take a look at it, I'll kind of rotate it over like this. You'll see it actually rests on the bar itself, so it'll clamp in. You can actually remove the whole thing out and then replace it. So guys, here is underneath the seat. I just realized that the best thing that you can do is actually raise the automatic seat up so you can actually access that. So here again is the nomenclature of the underseat LED. I simply just unclipped it off of this here. I was able to pull it out, and then I'm able to access this. So I went ahead and did that already. Here we have the replacement. All that you're going to do is simply take it, plug it in together. You've got a nice bright LED now. This is the very front trunk sensor and one of the easier ones to access. Again, use this type of tool, just stick it in here and you can pry it out. This one I've replaced already. But again, you just unclip it, pull it out, put it back in, clip it, and now you've got a brighter front trunk, compliments of Oznium LED. In closing, I wanted to express my gratification to the owner of the Tesla. His name is Matthew, and without his Tesla, this project could not have happened. Matthew also rents out his Teslas, and I will post the link right here for you guys to take a look at. He's got actually more than one, so if you want to rent a Tesla for the day and to learn a little more about it, he is your guy to contact. And the other appreciation I wanted to express is to Oznium themselves. They provided the LEDs for us to upgrade into the Tesla. Thank you so much for providing that, and the link right here as well. And finally, the project in itself, I believe anybody should be able to accomplish. As long as you have a non-marring tool to dislodge the LEDs, a little of your time as well as some patience, you should be able to successfully upgrade your Puddle, footwell, trunk, as well as front hatch LEDs in your Tesla. Once again, thanks for watching another Audi S3 Fanatic video. And this is Peter, signing off.